You're working hard, showing up every day, maybe even picking up side gigs, but your income just isn't moving. Sound familiar? The truth is, effort alone isn't always enough. If your money isn't growing, there's usually a deeper reason behind it, one you might not even see. In this video, we're digging into the real reasons your income is stuck, and more importantly, how to fix it. From mindset shifts to strategic moves that actually pay off, you'll learn what's holding you back and how to break through. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's get into it. Today, we will talk about why your income isn't growing and how to fix it. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. You're relying on one income stream. If your income only comes from one source, your full-time job, you're in a risky position. The truth is, depending on one paycheck makes it harder to grow wealth over time. Even if you get small raises each year, your income growth will likely stay flat or just barely keep up with inflation. The fix: start building additional income streams. This could mean freelancing, launching a small online business, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or starting a digital product like an ebook or course. Even a small second income stream can add up over time and eventually turn into something much bigger. You're not increasing your skills. In today's world, skills are currency. If you're not learning new, in-demand skills, your income will eventually hit a wall. Many people rely on the skills they learned years ago, and over time, those skills become less valuable in the marketplace. To fix this, identify the high-income skills that are currently in demand. Things like digital marketing, coding, copywriting, or video editing, and start learning. You don't need a degree. There are free and affordable resources online, and many of these skills can be learned in your spare time. The more valuable you become to employers or clients, the higher your income can grow. You're stuck in the wrong industry. Not all industries grow at the same pace. Some fields offer fast income growth and advancement, while others stay stagnant for years. If you're in an industry with low profit margins or little room for growth, you could be limiting your earning potential, no matter how hard you work. Look at what's happening around you. Tech, finance, healthcare, and digital services are growing fast. These sectors often offer better salaries and more advancement opportunities. Consider making the strategic switch, even if it means starting at a slightly lower level at first. Long-term, it could lead to far more income growth. You're not negotiating your pay. One of the biggest reasons people don't earn more is because they don't ask. Whether it's a raise, a new job offer, or a client contract, negotiation is key. Most employers or clients won't offer you more money unless you ask for it. Start by researching your market value. Know what people with your skills and experience are making. Then practice how you'll make your case. Highlight your results, your skills, and the value you bring. Even a small raise can add thousands of dollars per year, and it compounds over time. You're not tracking your money. If you don't know where your money is going, it's hard to grow it. People who don't track their income and expenses often end up overspending, undersaving, and losing opportunities to invest or build something bigger. Use a simple budgeting app or even a spreadsheet to track your finances. Set income goals, watch your expenses, and figure out how much you can put towards savings, investing, or building a side hustle. Once you start tracking, you'll see patterns in areas where you can take back control. You're stuck in the time for money trap. Trading time for money is how most people start, but it shouldn't be where you stop. If you only earn money when you clock in, you'll eventually run out of hours in the day. This model caps your income. To fix this, think about how you can earn without directly trading time. This could mean building a YouTube channel, selling a course, writing a book, investing in real estate, or creating digital products. These are assets that work for you, even when you're not working. The key is to build something that pays you over time. You don't have a growth plan. Wishing for a higher income isn't the same as planning for one. Many people go through life hoping they'll earn more one day, but they don't have a step-by-step plan to make it happen. Start treating your income like a business goal. Set clear targets. Decide what you need to do to hit those targets, whether it's getting a new certification, switching careers, or launching a new product. Check in with yourself regularly. Review your progress. Adjust as needed. When you work with a plan, you start to see real growth. You're avoiding risks. Yes, playing it safe feels comfortable. But the reality is, income growth often comes with some level of risk, whether it's changing jobs, starting a business, or investing money. If you avoid all risk, you'll also avoid most of the rewards. That doesn't mean being reckless, but it does mean taking calculated risks. Learn how to assess opportunities. Do your research, prepare yourself, and then take the step. Even if it doesn't work out the first time, you'll learn something valuable that will help you grow faster next time. You haven't built a personal brand. In today's world, especially online, your personal brand matters. Whether you're a freelancer, a creator, or even a full-time employee, your reputation and visibility can directly impact your income. People trust people they can find, people who show their value, and people who stand out. Start by updating your LinkedIn, building a portfolio, or creating a simple website. Share your work, talk about what you do, provide value to your audience. Over time, your personal brand becomes an asset that can lead to new opportunities, higher paying clients, or even speaking gigs and partnerships. You're waiting for the perfect time. Many people hold themselves back because they think they're not ready. They wait for the perfect time to start a side hustle, apply for a better job, or raise their rates. But the truth is, the perfect time rarely comes. Start where you are. Use the tools you already have. Improve as you go. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The people who grow their income the fastest are often the ones who take imperfect action and learn along the way. You're surrounding yourself with the wrong people. Your environment matters more than you think. If you're surrounded by people who don't believe in growth, who settle for less, or who complain more than they take action, it can hold you back. Start connecting with people who think bigger. Join online communities, attend meetups, follow inspiring creators, or work with a mentor. The more you surround yourself with people who are growing, the more likely you are to grow too. If your income isn't growing, it's not because you're not working hard. It's usually because one or more of these hidden habits or systems is holding you back. But the good news is, you can change that. You can start today. You can learn new skills, build new income streams. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.